Today we have with us an acclaimed actor, writer and director of many award-winning movies, Mr. Rajat Kapoor. Despite of all the predicaments he had faced in his life, his metal personality evaded all the harsh conditions and he always emerged as a victor.
Making his way from amateur theatres to the Indian film industry, this man has shown various dimensions of film to Indian cinema. Sir, Nodox 2016 team is privileged to have you with us and we welcome you to Eminent Idea House.
Thank you very much. Pleasure to be here. Thank you.
So, sir, to begin with, sir, you're such a versatile star and we have seen you in so many different roles. So, according to you, what do you consider as your first major breakthrough in Bollywood?
I don't know. First of all, I want to say that I'm not really in Bollywood. Bollywood is a name given to this commercial mainstream industry, and I still don't feel that I'm a part of that. I'm on the margins of that, and I'm quite happy being on the margins of that industry. In terms of commercial success, I think the first big film and one of my first films was Dil Chahta Hai as an actor. So that became a big thing. Then, like I was talking earlier, Beja Fry, the film that I produced and acted in, became a big hit. But hits and flops are not really my scene. It doesn't really matter to me. What matters is the kind of work I do. That's all.
So, your recent award-winning movie, Aankhon Dekhi, a perfect blend of entertainment and enlightenment, and how to lead a contented life. Sir, apart from these, is there any untold story behind this that you want to share?
You've seen Aankhon Dekhi?
Yeah.
No, there is no untold story. The idea was very simple, Anshika. The idea was, and this idea was with me for I think 10-12 years. If a man decides to believe only his experience, and what is it that we know? It's a philosophical question. What do we know? And how do we know it? Do we know it because we are told a certain thing, or do we know it because we have experienced it? And my take is that the only real truth is what you have experienced. Everything else is bullshit, So this idea was there with me for many years, but I didn't know how to tell that story, because an idea is just an idea. Idea is not a film. And if you make a film based on an idea, it becomes a propaganda film, So I waited for many years to find a story, and then in 2011, I think this joint family thing came to me, and then I wrote Aankhon Dekhi.
And you loved it.
Thank you very much.
But sir, the lead role Bauji, he said जो आँखों से देखा उसी पे भरोसा किया. So do you think this is even possible in real life?
I think it is. It is not easy, as you see from Bauji's journey.
Yes, sir.
But I think that's at least an aspiration we should have, I feel, एक बहुत अच्छी मैंने बात पढ़ी अभी recently, and it's a quote from Osho. Osho says that you're walking and you see a rose, and you look at it and you say, yeah, it's a rose. But by saying, yeah, it's a rose, you have denied the existence of this particular rose, because it wasn't there yesterday and it will not be there tomorrow. It is there only today, this rose. So have you experienced this rose? When you say, yeah, it's a rose is an idea of the rose. But this particular rose is unique, and we have to experience that uniqueness. We have to experience the uniqueness of every moment, right? And I think that is what our aspiration should be, because we are so stuck and we are so conditioned with ideas and concepts, कि ये ऐसा है, like यही idea कि हाँ ये गुलाब है. So when I see Aankhon Dekhi now, and I'm myself struck by how many shots there are of Bauji looking at a tree. What is he looking at? He's looking at the beauty of that tree, and it doesn't have to be explained. It is just beautiful, and I think that as a philosophy for life is very valuable, that there is so much beauty around us, there's so much beauty in every moment, such a gift of life that we have, and we just let it go, chasing some dreams, chasing some ideas, chasing some stupid aspirations which mean nothing. And in that chase, we lose the real purpose of life, which is just to be.
And so, do you think that society would affirm to it if we actually?
Of course not.
Of course not.
Of course not. So society will call you a madman.
Yes, sir.
But I think all artists and all scientists go through that path of questioning things, of questioning what the society tells you. That's how scientific breakthroughs are made. Because if you only believed what you were told, you would only go that far. But this whole idea of ideate, innovate and create comes from a mind which is looking elsewhere, right?
Sir, you played the role of a sinister pedophile in Monsoon Wedding, and then you had an extramarital affair in Kapoor and Sons. You even played an insensitive...
It is very different. A pedophile is very different from a man who has an affair outside of marriage, okay?
So they're different roles. You have played varied roles. So, is there anything particular you consider before choosing roles for yourself, picking up roles?
I look at the script actually. Of course, my role, it has to be little substantial. And the problem is within the mainstream cinema, you don't get substantial roles because everything goes to big stars. So I say no to a lot of films, a whole lot of films. And if the role is good, the scripts are bad. We don't write many good scripts. So I end up saying no most of the times. But if the script is good, my role is good, and the director is not a complete idiot, I say yes.
Sir, आपकी journey की जब शुरुआत हुई थी, you were very clear that you wanted to be a filmmaker, but you didn't know how to.
Right.
So you had some conversations with your dad regarding this. जो आपने पहली बार उन्हें बताया था. Sir, उसके बारे में कुछ बताइए.
My dad thought, okay, it's a passing phase. It's very funny because even when I went to FTI, they said, okay, fine, go. If you have to go, if you want to go, go. They said, ठीक है, थोड़ा पागलपन है, ठीक हो जाएगा. वापस कहाँ जाएगा ये? वापस तो यहाँ आएगा, प्रिंटिंग प्रेस में काम करेगा. Because that was their hope and aspiration from me. Also, my father had built this printing press out of nothing, so it was his dream. It was my dream, But I can understand that it was his dream and he wanted me to take it further. So after finishing FTI, they said, अभी क्या करना चाहते हो भाई? मैंने कहा अभी क्या करना चाहता हूँ, मतलब यही करना चाहता हूँ. So then I shifted to Bombay. Then every time, every 6 months, I would go back to Delhi. तो he would say, भाई कुछ सोचा आपने क्या करना? अरे पापा सोचा कर लिया, चेंज नहीं होने वाला है. Then I think after Tarana got the national award, then I think they were convinced. They were a little proud also, and then they were convinced कि हाँ इसका कुछ इलाज नहीं है, अभी यही करेगा.
Sir, एक टाइम था 1990s में when you had faced severe rejections. आपने करीब 1000 रुपये महीने पे भी अपना गुजार किया है और आपका ये मुश्किल समय करीब 10 साल तक चला. सर इतने समय में तो कोई भी हार मान जाता, बट आपने नहीं मानी. So what exactly kept you going? What helped you surpass those traumas?
देखो हार जीत का तो कोई सवाल ही नहीं था. ऐसा तो था नहीं कि मैं किसी जंग पे जा रहा हूँ और वहाँ से हार गया तो घर वापस चला जाऊँगा. I had decided this is my path, quite like Bauji actually. This is the path for me. It is not for anybody else maybe, but this is what I've chosen for me, and I have to go through this path. All I wanted to do was make the films that I wanted to make, the kind of films, and continue doing theatre. And I was convinced in my head कि ऐसा ही होने वाला है, चेंज नहीं होने वाला है. और मेरे दिमाग में ये भी था कि हो सकता है सारी उम्र में मैं 2 ही फिल्म बनाऊँ, 3 फिल्म बनाऊँ. But I was okay with that idea also. I was okay with an idea of poverty throughout. It was not easy, that poverty was not easy, but I didn't mind it. Because I must tell you something, Namrata. I've been doing this for now almost 30 years. But I feel that I've not worked a single day of my life. And that's a fantastic feeling. When I'm writing, I'm not working. When I'm shooting for a film, I'm not working. When I'm editing, I'm not working. When I'm traveling with a play, I'm not working. Today, I'm not working. I've never worked. So for me, everything has been now exactly doing what I want to do. For me, it's a big holiday. And how many can say that in the world, So I find myself very, very privileged to be doing, this is my passion. And I'm not doing this for money, I'm not doing this for fame, I'm not doing it for anything. I'm doing it for the work itself and allowed to do that work. I think I'm very, very privileged.
You have chosen to do that.
Yeah. And I feel grateful, like I said there, I feel grateful every day of my life that I'm allowed to do what I love to do.
So, like we have said, there are so many low budget films. There are so many low budget films who win awards, who win appreciations, but they don't get screens. या उतनी पॉपुलैरिटी नहीं मिलती है जितनी वो डिजर्व करते हैं. तो क्या ये लोगों की मेंटालिटी की वजह से है?
See, this problem is there all over the world. It's not only in India, first of all. Hollywood makes very bad films also, like we do. They make all these superhero films and blah 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 action films. And the real good work, even in Hollywood, does not get as much appreciation or screens or commercial viability. Having said that, in India there's a additional problem of lack of education. And we have other bigger problems. आपके यहाँ देश में लोगों के पास खाने को नहीं है, रहने को नहीं है, टॉयलेट जाने को जगह नहीं है, you know. ये सब पहले पूरा हो, उसके बाद आप एजुकेशन पे पहुँचें. And education doesn't mean learning to read and write. Education means an appreciation of arts. तो उसको मुझे लगता है कम से कम 30 साल 40 साल और लगेंगे, क्योंकि पहले जब आप अपनी ज़रूरतें पूरी कर लेते हैं, खाना, रहना, कपड़ा, उसके बाद art comes much later, in your life. So you and I, we are fortunate people that we have an education, but most of the country doesn't. So when that education spreads everywhere, then we would hope after 30 years there will be a bigger understanding of art. Maybe our children, when they make films, they will be appreciated more,
So, but there is so much rush behind star-studded movies.
Right.
So,
That's always been there and it will always be there. वो change नहीं होने वाला है. I don't think it will change. Because I maintain that commercial cinema is the sum total of our fantasies. We all want to see good-looking people on screen. You want Shah Rukh Khan and Katrina Kaif making out. Eventually, that's what we want. These are our dreams, fantasies, So वो तो रहेगा. उसका हमारा, and my fight is not with that. My fight is only कि आप करिए जो आप कर रहे हैं. On the sides, just let us also live a little bit.
So even you have such a dashing personality.
Oh, thank you very much.
You surely must have been the college crush. So did you fall for someone? Did you find you someone special in your college life?
Of course, lots, every day. अरे ये कैसा सवाल है? Of course. Yeah.
so what did you do?
I've always been in love with somebody. So कहानी?
हाँ, से कोई एक.
ये तो पर्सनल कहानी है, कैसे बता दूँ मैं?
सर, और हमें ऐसा भी पता चला है कि आपके पास आज भी सेलफोन नहीं है.
Cellphone.
सर, ऐसा क्यों सर?
Because I think it's an attempt to keep life simple, I think. Because if you have a cell phone, your attention is divided all the time. You're not in the moment all the time. You're always somewhere else. You're always I find it stupid.
But during emergencies and all.
What kind of emergency? I've never had an emergency last 15 years. There are no emergencies in life, 15 years back, everybody lived like that, Anshika.
Yes, sir.
तब क्या करते थे लोग emergency में? जीते ही थे ना?
Yes, sir.
अभी भी जिएंगे यार, उसमें क्या?
But आज सबके पास है.
तो और अच्छी बात है, अगर if I need a phone, I'll ask, can I borrow your phone? It's easy.
Yes, sir.
But that doesn't mean I have to carry a phone. For example, I don't wear a watch. You don't need to wear a watch. You can always say, भाई साहब क्या टाइम हुआ? बता देगा भाई 8:30 बजे. अच्छा 8:30 बजे. But to just know the time, I don't have to wear a watch.
Sir, now we are going to have a rapid fire round with you.
Are you?
Yes, sir. So we'll give you choices and you have to pick one of them. Okay?
You'll give me choices.
Yeah. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Yes, sir. So, Rajat Kapoor as an actor or a director?
Director.
Your birthplace Delhi or your workplace Mumbai?
Mumbai now.
Rajat Kapoor in Dil Chahta Hai or Kapoor and Sons?
You have to give an answer.
I have to
Yes,
choose.
Sir. Yes, sir. You don't
Why do I have to choose? Means what? What do I like more or
Yeah.
what?
Yeah.
know. Anything. On any basis. Your wish.
Kapoor and Sons, because it's now.
Theaters or the silver screens?
Now, don't ask me to choose there. Sorry, no, I won't choose. No, never.
Fine.
Okay, sir, now we are going to give you name. You have to dedicate a song to the following people.
I don't know many songs. Okay,
You must be knowing a
I'm
few.
not part of commercial cinema. I don't know any songs. Okay, ask.
Your wife, Meena Agarwal.
Oh, ho, ho, ho.
Now you have
You'll have to dedicate
Now I
a
have
song.
to.
Sir, do like, sir.
यार मुझे गाने ही नहीं पता यार हिंदी फिल्म के.
Do like, sir.
सर, आपके लिए थोड़ा इजी कर देते हैं. आप मूवीज भी डेडिकेट कर सकते हैं.
नहीं सर, लेकिन मैम के लिए आपको
मैम के गाना पड़ेगा.
दो लाइन.
बाकियों के लिए यू कैन डेडिकेट अ मूवी.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Really?
sir.
गाना नहीं मुझे तो गाने पता ही नहीं है यार. ओह हो हो.
जब आपने अपने फादर के साथ मूवीज देखी हैं इसलिए
हाँ,
पता है.
सच.
गाइड फिल्म का गाना मालूम है आपको?
सर आप
तेरे मेरे सपने अब एक रंग है.
सर दो लाइन सर दो.
मैं गा नहीं सकता हूँ बे, बता दिया बहुत है. चलो आगे चलो.
मिस्टर पहलाज निहाल. A movie?
मूवी ग्रैंड मस्ती.
And Arvind Kejriwal.
अरविंद केजरीवाल साहब. बताओ यार कुछ प्रॉम्प्ट करो यार, हेल्प करो. अरविंद केजरीवाल साहब की कौन सी पिक्चर है? खोजता था.
And to you, Mr. Rajat Kapoor.
आप खुद.
Sir, as a director, which Hollywood star would you like to cast in your movie?
Which stars would I like to cast? I would like to cast everybody. I would like to work with Shah Rukh. I think he's a fantastic actor and a wonderful, great star. I would like to work with Irfan. I would like to work with Saif Ali Khan. I really like these people. But you know, they go for another cinema, unfortunately. So our paths don't cross like that.
And if you were given a chance to change something in your past, what would it be?
That's a tough one. You know, the problem is, Anshika, with that if I change one thing in my past, everything will change. So I'm not going to take that chance.
सर, एक आखिरी सवाल. सर, आपकी लाइफ, आपकी जर्नी, आपकी फिल्म्स एक इंस्पिरेशन है बहुत सारे यंगस्टर्स के लिए. तो अपना ड्रीम परस्यू करने के लिए आप उन्हें क्या मैसेज देना चाहेंगे?
You know, there are two things. A, you must have a dream. And B, you must have the passion to follow up on that. एक भी तुम्हें बात बताऊँ, बहुत अच्छी है, मेरे को किसी का और का कोट है, but I really like it. There was a scientist, I forget who, professor in a university in America. So a student went to this man for his PhD thesis and asked, Professor, what should I do? Should I do this or should I do this? And what the professor told that person is really fantastic. He said, you should do only that you can do. You should do that only you can do. I think it's fantastic.
Yes, sir.
You should do that only you can do. Nobody else can do that thing. That is what you should do. You know, so what is that unique you? If you can discover that, and what is that unique you wanting to explore, you know, I think this is a great message to everybody.
And sir, how do we exactly explore ourselves?
That is a big problem. That is a huge problem. And you know, I'm very glad you asked this now. Because even as an artist, your journey, what is that journey? And I believe that an artist's journey is to actually find himself. That is all. So through the films, I'm trying to find myself. And that is why I'm doing film. That is why I'm doing theatre. This is what I've understood now. It is not that this is me and I'm going to put this in my work. No. I do some work and through that I become somebody. You know. So through my work I discover myself every day. What I was saying there, who am I? You know, so the eternal quest is who am I? And I think for all of us, we don't realize it, you know, because we जैसे कि अभी इसके बाद क्या जॉब मिलेगा, इसके बाद कहाँ शादी होगी, इसके बाद कहाँ घर लेंगे. We get so trapped with all this. But the real question with all of us is, who am I? And what is my purpose in this world? Why am I here? You know, I think we have to engage ourselves towards that question and find an answer that satisfies us. You know, there is no one answer to that.
Yes.
You know, but we all have to find our individual answers to that.
And you even referred to a diligent fool, you said. So,
You call yourself a diligent fool because you came over here. Please answer that question, sir.
See, I did my job diligently. I'm still doing my job diligently. I'm a fool, but I'm a diligent fool. I'm talking to you because I'm a diligent fool.
So you know we're a fool. You can't
All
be
of
a
us
fool.
are. All of us are. And when I say fool, it's more in the Shakespearean way.
Yes.
Because the fool in Shakespeare plays the wisest man there. You know that. The king is a fool and the fool is a saint. Alright.
sir,
And can I tell you something? You guys
sir.
were
Sure.
so good just now.
thank
You were
sir.
so good. I'm
Thank
amazed.
you, sir. Thank
I'm
you.
amazed. Not many people are so easy with their questions and so spontaneous. You did a great job. Pleasure
Thank
talking to
you,
you.
sir.
Pleasure talking to you, Namita.
And thank you so much, sir, for being with us. We had an awesome time with you.
Seriously.
Thank you.
And we hope to see you soon again.
Inshallah. Thank you.